Hello and welcome to another episode of Where's the Logic. This show is all about news that made sense last week and news that did not. So let's dive in. मित्रों, COVID cases are rising in India and people are helping each other in these tough times. क्योंकि जिसे हेल्प करना चाहिए वो अपने रैलीज में काफी बिजी थे.
फिर भी एक चौथाई लोग भी नहीं थे सभा में. आज चारों तरफ मैंने ऐसी सभा पहली बार देखी है. मैं जहां देख सकता हूं मुझे लोग ही लोग दिखते हैं, बाकी कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है.
The coronavirus situation in India remains grim as the country continues to witness a deadly surge in the COVID-19 cases. India on April 24th registered over 3.46 lakh fresh cases, the highest single day spike, pushing the COVID-19 caseload in the country to 1.66 crore, with 5 states contributing the most of it. लगता है सरकार की हिस्ट्री और पॉलिटिकल साइंस के साथ साथ मैथ्स भी थोड़ी वीक है. When they said they will flatten the curve, maybe they didn't know that they had to flatten the curve in the x-axis, not the y-axis. But who am I to say anything, right? It is not a curve anymore, it is a wall. India saw a rise of 3 crore 46 lakh new cases and 2,000 deaths in the past 24 hours. With the fresh fatalities, India's death toll has climbed to 1 crore 89 lakhs. The maximum number of deaths due to the COVID-19 infection was reported in Maharashtra, followed by Delhi with 348 daily deaths. But if you look at the government data and the number of bodies being cremated in crematoriums, the numbers do not match. This discrepancy in the number of deaths have come from Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and many other states. I wonder why. I know that government said they will be working hard to reduce these numbers. Did they mean literally? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Modi's speech. It sounded more like a Zoom call which could easily happen in email, right? Highlight of the speech was Modi asking young members of the family to keep their elders at home. Do you even know Indian middle class people? बच्चों की कोई नहीं सुनता. 3 Idiots नहीं देखी क्या? And just think about it. How will the kids keep their parents at home when the supreme leader himself is calling them outside to attend their rallies?
बहुत बेइंसाफी है ये.
And वोट किससे मांग रहे हो जब आधे से ज्यादा लोग हॉस्पिटल के बाहर खड़े हैं? Now, मोदी ने वेस्ट बंगाल की रैली वैसे कैंसिल कर दी थी, टू बी फेयर, बट हमारे होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने फिर भी रैलीज करी. एक नहीं, 2 नहीं, बल्कि 3, one after another, वो भी a day after the state logged more than 10,000 COVID cases.
वाह बेटा, लगता है कहीं मानोगे.
Now let's not lose focus. Coming back to Modi. कहते हैं दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. इसलिए हमारे मोदी जी were seen wearing a mask in a virtual meeting with Arvind Kejriwal, while he attended most of the rallies and ground meetings without wearing a mask.
मैं जहां देख सकता हूं मुझे लोग ही लोग दिखते हैं, बाकी कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है.
केजरीवाल ने खास दिया तो he is not wearing a mask, right?
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Yep, so that happened, and honestly, why should they even worry? It's not like the VIPs and the politicians and their family will have to wait in line for anything. Just like this.
हम भी पहले गए थे, तुम भी पहले जाओगे.
Well, moving on to our next topic. If you think that COVID-19 is not a big issue yet, let me tell you that China is now offering to help India with supplies to tackle the pandemic, which is so ironic. It's like marketing 101, creating a problem and then providing a solution.
हाँ भाई, कैसी लगी आगे स्वाद?
Well, now this one might sting even more than COVID vaccine. Even Pakistan extended its arms to help India with 50 ambulances and emergency staff, which is a good gesture. आखिर पड़ोसी ही पड़ोसी के काम आता है, right? France also offered to help India to deal with the second COVID-19 wave. So did the European Union. The External Affairs Ministry had not responded to either offer for hours after they were made early on Friday. Moving on to our next story, a thief stole a bag containing 1,700 doses of COVID-19 vaccine in Haryana's Jind. And when he saw that उसने vaccine चुरा लिया है, he had a change of heart. He returned the bag of vaccine and also left a note saying that he didn't know the content of the bag while he was taking it away. It seems like the thieves have more heart than our politicians.
Would you like some aloe vera? You just got burned.
Well, guess who else was accused of stealing? The Delhi government, which had until Tuesday been accusing Uttar Pradesh of curbing supply of oxygen to the capital, was later accused by Haryana on April 20th of stealing oxygen from a tanker. Yep, situation अब चोरी की आ चुकी है. अच्छे दिन is finally here, right?
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
The Haryana health minister said the tanker was on its way to supply oxygen to hospitals in Faridabad. Now, to avoid such incident to happen again, which said that he had issued instructions that all tankers carrying oxygen across Haryana would be escorted by state police force. Now, talking about unusual incidents, Bharatiya Janata Party workers on April 17th stopped a tanker carrying over 30 tons of oxygen with the motive of performing puja and rituals on it. While the patients in the city were fighting for every breath, the politicians were holding up the oxygen supply for the photo shoot. The BJP MPs looked at the moment as a bizarre opportunity to make it look like a media spectacle. And after 2 days in Bhopal, politicians held a photo shoot with a hearsay van. Bhopal BJP leader donated 6 hearsay vans as death rates have been shot up alarmingly in Madhya Pradesh, and then took a photo with them because, this is something you want to remember for the rest of your life, right? Moving on to the last story of this segment. There are people who thought कि higher attitude पे COVID नहीं होगा, and then COVID was like,
hello there.
The coronavirus has conquered the world's highest mountain. The Norwegian climber became the first to be tested positive for COVID-19 in Mount Everest base camp and was flown by helicopter to Kathmandu, where he was hospitalized. Now, I like the way this report says became the first. I don't think he was happy or even proud about it. But yeah, COVID.
आसमान की बुलंदियों को छू रहा है.
But hey, at least the climber had its own oxygen supply. Now, I don't think we understood the term freeze the COVID very well. That's not what it meant, guys.
इंजेक्शन फायदा नहीं करेगा, ये अल्कोहल फायदा करेगी.
क्यों? दारू पीने से खांसी चली जाएगी क्या?
अरे दारू में मेरा बाप का गराज चला गया, पूरा प्रॉपर्टी चला गया, खुद मेरा बाप चला गया, तेरा खांसी क्या नहीं जाएगा?
Well, that's all we have in this week's episode. We'll be back soon with more logical news. Till then, be safe, wear your mask properly, and take care of yourself.